Halor. Halor. I just wanna say that I got striked and I'm sad. And I was here for 3 hours and I was doing web work and I did it from here to here. Yay! So that's a lot of questions. Now the reason I did so many is because they got easier, because these were for partial fractions and they always start easy. So I want to finish it up. Let's see if it shows up here. I stopped the last one because it didn't look like it was showing up, but they always. Okay, so I think it's here. So yeah, 3 hours. I think I'm sad because I think this was the most I ever got done in terms of question count, other than the webwork 1 or webwork 2. This might be the most I ever got done in in a session. So you can see, did a lot of this. This is when I got home from. I went straight home yesterday after school. I think I did a bit of Phil 220 pre-reading on the bus, and then I relaxed, and then I went straight to doing math. And then this morning I went straight into doing math, and then I'm doing more math now. So that's really taken up my whole past 48 hours of my life has just been this. So I was playing all of this copyrighted music, or not this. It was a separate tab. Excuse me, there's actually a separate tab, I think. Whatever. Anyways, doesn't matter. That was sad. We're not playing this because it's copyrighted. So I'm just gonna play some Nintendo music. So sad, bro. TS fucking PMO, bro. It was mostly just because I did so much, bro. I did so many questions. That's the main thing that has me upset. Right? If I didn't do that many questions, it'd be like, whatever, bro. But I was on a roll, bro. I was like popping off, bro. I was like hitting sellies, bro. I jumped up and did suit. No, I'm just kidding. That's a lie. I didn't do that. But I was really vibing, bro. And I just happened to get to an impasse at this point. Oh, this is still a partial fractions problem. Okay. Yep. No, we're not using that. So, what I have here is I have a polynomial. So this is x to the 0, this is u to the 0, this is u squared. So we can skip straight to decomposing this. So we want this to turn into, we want to turn this from multiplying into addition. So we're gonna go negative u plus 1 is equal to a over u plus, because what we had earlier is we had something like x minus 1 times x minus 2, and we want to turn that into an addition sign underneath, right? Yeah, you want to take the additions. So to b over u plus 1. So we're going to start by going negative 9u, or that's just negative 9 over u plus 1, a plus b over plus 1, or bu. We have let u equals, wait, I didn't think this through. If it's just 0, then it equals just a plus 0, and that's just negative 9 over 1. So a equals negative 9. And then we're going to have a of u plus 1 over u plus b. This would be negative 9. We're multiplying all these by u plus 1, I think. Yeah. So this would just be over u, and then we have yeah, we have let u equals negative 1, So that, of course, just equals b plus 0. That's negative 9 over negative 1, which means b is equal to 9? Are we sure? Okay. I guess we're okay with that. Alright. I guess we can always verify, right? Because if we have negative 9 over u plus 1 equals, this is 9 over, negative 9 over u plus 9 over u plus 1. If we could just multiply, right, because that would be negative 9u plus 9u. Wait, what am I doing? That's negative 9. Oh, we're multiplying this by u plus 1. We're multiplying by whatever it takes to get into this denominator form. So that's times u, and then times 1 over u plus 1. And this would just be 9u. And that would just, okay, yeah. So negative 9 is equal to negative 9u minus 9 plus 9u, because these subtract, and negative 9 equals negative 9. Yay! So, we have decomposed this into an integral of negative 9 over u plus 9 over u plus 1 with respect to u. And we didn't drop any coefficients along the way, did we? No, nothing was dropped, which means that wait, we have u is equal to sine x, right? Yeah, u is equal to sine x. So this is going to be negative 9 log of the absolute value of u plus, this is anti-d. This is going to be plus 9 log absolute value of u plus 1 plus c. So this is negative 9 log absolute value sine x plus 9 log absolute value sine x plus 1 plus c. This is a little sketch, but we'll just do it. Oh, shit. A very Chinese time with my math writing. Just kidding. We're talking about math, and I don't think I earned the right to be Chinese. Come on, be good. Be good to me, please. I didn't mistype this, right? Come on, please, 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 please. Let's go! Let's go. Oh, come on, bro. The precipice of the mountain is waiting for me, bro. Have I been the most legitimate about accomplishing this? We don't talk about that. Is this like a trick question? Is it, or do you have your own? Do you have your pick of whatever you want? Is there like a best pick? I mean, it kind of looks like you can just pick whatever the fuck you want, right? Right? I mean, for some of these questions, it was like, yeah. And this will only, the top one only matters as like a coefficient, right? So you kind of do whatever the fuck you want, right? But that seems kind of, it's almost too open-ended. Like, I think it's a trick question. You know what I mean? Like, I just feel like it's a little, like over here. Wait, if you look over here, look at the form of this. I have 1 over 10. 10 comes out of all of these guys. And I have log of x minus 1. This one became x plus 1 and x plus 7, right? But it looks to me like you have a choice of whatever you want. Oh, sorry, of course. What am I saying? You have to solve in terms of A and B. Oh, my... Right, of course. And it's a general solution. That's why we saw the other questions where when A and B were particular numbers. It has to be a general solution. Okay. So we're gonna go... Want is -8 x plus a x plus b equals to big A x plus a plus big B x plus b. Now the way to get this, let x equals negative. Oh no, we don't do that yet. Let's have a plus b of x plus a over x plus b. This feels really cursed, but we'll roll with it. Let x equals -a. So we just have big A plus 0 over -8. Oh, dude, this is so cursed. -a plus b. Dude, this is so fucked up. So a equals -8 over -a plus b, or just b minus a. So then, again, these are numerical constants. -8 equals to a over x plus a plus b, and let's have this as x plus b, and then we scratch this guy out. So we have let x equals -b. So we're gonna have b is equal to -8 over -b plus a. So we have a equals -a. Let's just call this b minus a. And we have b equals to -8 a minus b. So we go back to original equation, and we look, and we see that our integrand is a over x plus little a plus b over x plus little b. So new integrand in terms of new integrand with a and b. It's already in terms of a, b, little b. So what do we do? Oh my god. So this is going to be, this is going to be -8. This is b minus a, x plus a, minus 8 a minus b, x plus b. So how the fuck do you get an integral out of this? So you have an integral of what? -8 over b minus a, x plus a, plus an integral of -8 a minus b, x plus b. What do? Do you just plug and chug? I thought you can't plug and chug that. Do I just try? This is so cursed, bro. I genuinely don't know what to fucking think about this. Surely it's gonna tell me I didn't simplify enough, right? It's b minus a, and it's x plus a, minus 8 log. Like, this is so fucking cursed, bro. There's no way. There's no way, dude. Yeah. Do I have to expand it? You reckon? Or there's just something fundamentally wrong here? Because none of these will cancel with each other. Wait, this is a weird format. Yeah, these are not in any standard form. Yeah, I have to just do it I should do it custom. Well, I don't think this is gonna work because it's literally algebraically the same, but whatever. I go in for more punishment, and this should mirror because it's a symmetric. In general, the structure is symmetric, so it should mirror this. I don't think it's gonna be correct. There's no way. Yeah, no. What am I doing wrong here then? Wait. So if this is my integrand, right? Integrand. And let's just ignore this guy. Then should me swapping a for b minus a, then throw that x plus a into the denominator. What the fuck? Okay, I have the right constant values, in the sense that I have, yeah. Okay, no, this is not it. So, we do have, so this is good. this is good. We have this. And we do have that A is equal to -8, B minus A, and that B is equal to, wait, what? Okay, yeah, it's also -8, A minus B, right? This is what I wrote earlier, I think. Yeah. Okay. Well, in that case, how are we fucking... Right? Because that was our old integrand that we decomposed. So this guy was the log, and this guy is coef. Right? Because if you had like 2 over x plus 1, then this guy would be log, and this guy is coef. Wait, but that's so cursed. This is so fucking cursed. This is so fucking cursed, dude. I genuinely am flabbergasted right now. B, A plus A and B plus B, right? Yeah. Dude, this is, if this is correct, I actually don't even know how to react. I'm fucking floored, bro. This shit is so cursed, bro. Like, I don't even know what to think. Like, no, it's wrong too. Okay, well, I guess it was worth a fair shake. I guess it's worth a fair shake, but I just don't know how to even react to this, dude. Like, what are you even supposed to do? I don't get the question. Like, what are you even supposed to do here, bro? I mean, there we are. And then and of course A minus B is equal to -1 of B minus A, and of course those guys cancel out, so those. I'm not happy with this one, bro. I'm not happy with this one, bro. I genuinely do not know how I would have gotten that one, bro. I guess, bro. How are you even fucking supposed to... Wait, so I guess where I fucked up was... You don't... I guess, bro. I guess, bro. Anyways, that's been my life for the past 3.5 hours now. Question 17. Did I vibe code my way through these? It's your judgment call. I mean, the previous stream is gone forever because I got copy striked. So it's your I don't know. It's not my judgment call. I guess, bro. I guess, bro. I just want that webwork green, bro. Just give me that webwork green, bro. I'm tired of running, bro. I'm tired of this shit. I'm tired of all of this shit, bro. I'm so tired of it, bro. Fuck. Okay, so let's look at this question. So we have x squared. It's very scary. It's a very scary one. But we do have a denominator that is strictly lower degree. So 2 is less than 3, so that's good. So we don't have to do division. However, we need to factor this guy, which is going to be kind of hard, but I think we have steps here. Okay, this is a higher degree, so we don't... Or no, actually, we can still look at this. But we just skip to step 3. Oh, I remember this. So the trick was... Wait, the trick... Right? X cubed plus 3x squared plus 7x plus 5... Coef is int. Const term factors plus minus are potential factors. Potential roots. Oh, I don't know that helps us. Oh, that helps us because we can factor a linear term out of it. X minus root is a factor of a polynomial, right? Oh, I'm getting tired. I have an 11 a.m. lecture tomorrow. And then I have to get up at like 8. Who cares, bro? But no, we want to type in plus 3x squared. I think in this case it was -1, which is one of the roots. What? Wait, what? 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 Wait, what? 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 Wait, what? What? I'm sorry, what the fuck? I'm sorry, what? But it doesn't pass on the x-axis. x equals -1 is 2? Wait, am I tripping, bro? Right? Because if we have x squared plus 3x squared plus set, that's cubed. That's cubed. Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay. So, are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking serious right now? Alright, you know what? Whatever. I'm just gonna go with that you want to keep it. It sounds like there's no room for a cubic term here, so you're gonna have to just we're gonna have to do that. Right? This is probably a factor, because if you have 1 plus 66 minus 1 minus 66, that equals 0. If I have -1, that's -1 plus, minus 66 plus 1 minus 66. Oh, it's not equal 0. Okay, well, we have at least 1. So x equals 1 is a root. So x minus 1 is a factor. That's all we really needed, right? Fuck, how do you divide? Oh god, wait, how do you divide x minus 1, bro? Oh shit. Do you just have to do it the Wait. Pause. How do you divide this? Or am I supposed to use pod mode? Am I supposed to do this? I don't even know if this gives me the result I want, bro. This could be a fucking huge waste of time, bro. Right? This can go into their x squared amounts of time. Dude, fuck, bro. Apple Pencil actually got me low-key cooked, bro. bro. I don't know how long that it's been stuck on there for. But anyways, low-key got me a bit geeked, bro. This shit low-key got me a bit geeked, bro. Fuck. That's x squared, right? And this is just plus 0, plus 0. So this would then be 2x cubed. Ooh, this is 67? Minus x minus 66. So just this. X minus 1, 67, x squared minus x minus 66. Maybe? Right? Because... Wait, no, this can't be right. No, that can't be right. I factored out I'm sorry. No, there's an x squared term here. What? Wait, how do you divide these polynomials, bro? That is not how you do it. So we're gonna grab our polynomial, 66x squared minus x minus 66, and then we grab our factor. Okay. But what are we collecting here? Oh my god. Oh no, what? And you just collect the stuff on top. So x squared, so this would be minus x cubed minus x squared. So this would just be 67x squared minus x minus 66, right? Because this would be cubed. Let me go over here. Plus, and this would be minus, how many times can x go in with this? It would be 67x, right? 67x times. So minus 67, that's 67x squared minus 67x. Right, so this would then, oh my god. So this one cancels to 0. Subtract 96 from x, that would equal to negative 68. X minus 66. How many times does this go into? This can go into here 68 times, right? So we can subtract 68x minus 68. Oh no. No, this is very bad. This is very bad. This is very bad. You want this to sum to 0. This is very bad. This should cancel into 0. Dude, I'm so tired. I'm like too tired for this shit right now. But I need to see the webwork green, bro. Like it's genuinely, it's a need, not a want, bro. Something's going wrong here. Oh. Oh. Right? Because if you have negative x, and you subtract negative 67x, that's just become negative x plus 67x, which equals to 66. Yeah. So we're gonna do subtract, which means that we're asking how many times we can put, which is 66. Multiply this, which is equal to negative 66x minus 66. That's 0. Yeah. So x minus 1, x squared plus 67x plus 66. So let's go back to our integrand. So our integrand is x squared plus 203x plus 332. That's kind of an ugly number, but I don't think it's actually a problem for us. Right? That's actually not an issue for us, is it? I don't think that's an issue for us. Oh my god. Is this supposed to be... right? Because... this is so stupid. This is such a stupid fucking well then actually no, we're not doing that then. Cancelled. I guess they just thought to... That's interesting, because I feel like for Trig Sub, they asked the hardest versions of every question. But right now they're taking it easy. Like, these were brutal. Especially some of these guys were fucking brutal questions. Like, I'm telling you, bro, I was typing this shit into fucking Gemini and ChatGPT too, bro. Like, it's not like I just started fucking 5 seconds ago. They were brutal. Irrespective of whatever you're trying to... Like, they were just... If it's like they're pulling their punches now. I don't know what's going on. Right? Like, you're not even having to... I never have to practice solving this guy. See, I didn't like the sneaky method because you were basically taking the coefficient in front of one of these linear terms, and then it's a constant term, and putting that as your value, which I just thought was a little sketch. But I guess we'll never find out because they don't ask. So, whatever, I guess. Huh, interesting. Okay. Okay. This is our integrand. So we want to get this into a shape of a over x minus 1 plus b x plus 1 plus c x plus 66. That's fucking disgusting. Frankly, that's just... wow. Okay, well, we're gonna have... Please tell me get done for too. I need to go to bed. This is disgusting, bro. Like, I know this is all gonna go to 0, but once that fucking negative 66 term goes in, I'm genuinely crashing out. Is there a better way, or am I going to have to plug in negative 66 into this to the generator? What? Wait. I don't think you... I don't think this thing factored the numerator, bro. Whatever. Okay, alright, whatever. The confidence machine is doing the confidence things again, bro. I guess, bro. I guess, bro. Which means A is gonna equal... that's going to be... oh, sorry, wait. I should probably bring this down. So this is going to be 1 plus 203 plus 332 over... and then which one's canceled? This one's canceled. So this is going to be 2 times 67. 6, 7... So we have 204 plus 322. So that's 6, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay, listen, I wasn't gonna laugh, but I've never seen... There's so many 6, 7s in a row, bro. There's so much 6, 7ing going on, bro. Oh. Yeah, I'm just typing this in, bro. Respectfully. What? Dude, that is such an ugly fucking coefficient, bro. Uh-oh. No! No, dude! No, what the fuck? No! No! Oh my god, that's equals 4. No, dude! No! 536 over 134 equals 4, I guess. So then we have the next one. We want to solve B, so this is going to equal A. So wait, let's check out B first. This is going to be A, x plus 1, and this had x minus 1 originally, plus B, plus C, x plus 1, this is x plus 66. this, dude? This is disgusting, dang, bro. And this is x plus 66. I mean, the x minus 1 has been removed. So we have let. And you'll know if you fuck up because you'll end up dividing by 0, which is not good. So that's just 1 plus minus 203 plus 332 over negative 2 times negative 67. Oh no, that's negative 65. And that's just b plus 0 plus 0. So 1 minus 203 is negative 2. So 332 minus 202. That's 2, 330. So 130. Oh, it's 130 of 130. So that's 30 over negative 130 is negative 1. Is b negative 1? B is negative 1. That's great. I'll just try it. So we have C, and then we just have these guys, and this is going to be x squared plus 203x plus 332 x minus 1 x plus 1. And this is just gonna be right. So we've let x equal to negative 66. These guys have 66 terms. These are all zeros. They all became 0, right? Because imagine we multiply, determine all that. So that's just 0. So now we have c plus 0 plus 0. So now oh, wow, dude, it's been years since I've actually just sit down and just fucking just do a bunch of math, bro. Is this 3 zeros? No. Oh my god, it is. Oh my god. Okay, I stand corrected. That's 15, so that's throw 1 there. That's 10. That's 3, and that's 1. That can't be right, dude. That's gotta be wrong. I think I fucked it. Oh, nope. That is, yep. So that's 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, 6. Minus 12,198 plus 332 over, let's have 67. Dude, there's so many 6 7s in here, bro. I'm genuinely fucking going insane. 67 times 65. This is 35. Old man does his multiplication the old way, bro. 200-year-old cafe serves it the old way or something. But I'm the cafe, bro. And these are both negatives, right? These are both negatives, which means this is actually supposed to be a positive. So C is equal to, are you serious? These are off. These are by one number. That's crazy. I think that's actually a property of squares, I think, right? It's like how 5 squared is 25, and then you adjust them up 1 and down, you get 24, I think. I mean, that's just a property of integer squares, I think. Did we get the same result? No. No, I fucked that up. Oh. Yeah, so this is actually equal to -8, so 0 over 4. -2. Okay, that's a little embarrassing. That's a little bit embarrassing, but it's okay. It's okay. I gave it the college try or something, and by college try, the 2026 college try is just putting that shit into ChatGPT, bro. I think for these last questions, I went back to my usual pace, because it's exactly an hour. But I promise you, I was going through these hella fast when they were easier. So wait, so we split this into this. So we now have the coefficients for this. So this is an integral of 2 over x minus 1. A is 4. What? Okay. I might have picked different. I think I had my x. Okay, whatever. Anyways, minus 1 over x plus 1 plus minus 2 x plus 66 dx, and so we can go anti-d, and this can be 4 times log x minus 1 minus log x plus 1 minus 2 log x plus 66 plus c. This is so cursed. This is so fun. I don't even know what to say, bro. This is so fucking cursed, dude. This is genuinely so cursed. I don't even know how this is useful to me, bro. Like, alright, just fucking rip it, dude. There we go. Woo! You know, I was a lot hyper earlier on in the evening. But now I'm just like, whatever, dude. Like, I guess, bro. Like, I don't even feel that accomplished, bro. And I'll be honest, bro. I don't even know how I'm supposed to do that without a calculator, man. I'm gonna keep it a buck. If that shows up on a test, bro, just slide it in, gang. At some point, just slide that shit in, bro. Yeah, I was at 17. Let's see. I was at question 14 at 6 p.m. At 6 p.m. So question 14. And then she got taken down 3 hours. I think in this 2 hours I got through 2 questions. 3 questions. I got through 3 questions in this 2 hours. To be fair, I took 2 hours for these past 2 questions, an hour for these past 2 questions. So my average wasn't exactly, but then the questions got easier. This is a brutal timeline to watch, bro. Fuck you mean 14, 15, and then, oh my god, that's a brutal timeline to watch, bro. Watch. Are you serious? It was stuck this whole time. What? Sad because I think this was the most Alright, whatever. I was in the middle of. That was sad. We're not playing. I was in the middle of what question? 26. I was doing 26. Yeah, I was doing 26 when we started. So in this hour, I did 2 questions. This was this whole past hour has been this. 27. Fractions. Fucked up that thing. Past 40 minutes has been this. And then, let's look at where I was yesterday. It was of the 4. Oh fuck, yes, for the first hour I was just following the textbook, right? I think. Yeah. Wow. So yesterday evening I was on problem 7. Yeah. Holy fuck. By the way, I don't get a break from this. Tomorrow, or I guess in 2 days, I'm going right back into this. Like there's no break. Like it's wow. That's just beautiful to look at. Fuck, dude. Fuck. Ah. Fuck! I didn't even learn this, bro. Like I went to small class, but I didn't really understand what was going on. I got there late because I forgot to set an alarm. What? A new idea is bro. You've been doing new ideas, bro. You've been doing new ideas and didn't feel the need to declare it. This is one of those things where I need to carve out some time tomorrow to just try integration by parts before I go to lecture. Like it's absolutely mandatory. Which fucking sucks because I have other stuff that's also absolutely mandatory. My midterm. But we can move that around. Move the math around. Wow. Okay. Yeah. It's like three questions on fucking volume, and then and then it's just straight into integration by parts. So you're really just holy fucking 17 years ago, bro. You know what? This is my copium for trying to do this. At least there's something at the end of the rainbow. What the fuck are you talking about? Alright. Sold! I'll do my math homework. You sold me on it. Let's look at this, dude. Times 1, 4, 1. What the fuck was I doing here? Oh, this is just multiple. Okay, yeah. I just put it in first and see what happens. Wow. This guy gave me a lot of trouble, I think. Well, I mean, it's not a good indicator of how many attempts I did, because I don't just fucking shotgun it. I just, yeah. Probably half of these are just like input errors. Yeah, like you start off. These are the ones with some sign and an exponent and co-exponent. And you do like a couple of these, like the first third of it. And then you get the trig sub. This was a very explicit trig sub question. Very explicit. And then yeah. And you get into partial fractions. A lot of partial. They keep it nice. You only have to. I only had to divide it once. And here to divide the denominator. Yeah. Web work green. Now listen, man. I did the web work 2, web work. I did all these web works so far. I had to fight for web work 3, but I had to fight tooth and fucking nail for this one, bro. And I'm afraid it only gets worse from here, dude. I'm just looking through textbook. Oh wow, I wasn't even doing web works at this point, bro. But I think I already did a couple web works at this point. 'Cause I started it pretty early. Never mind, I'm a complete liar. February 1st. So my entire life from here until here has been, I mean, I did some of the abstraction, I guess in CPC210. My whole fucking thing here has just been, so if I budget this amount of time next week, I only have this much time for all of my other courses. This is web work only, by the way. I think I spent the last Saturday trying to do the textbook stuff, so I have to actually learn it and then do the web work. Which I'm budgeting about 5 days out of my week of 7 days. I was doing all that on Friday too. Or I guess I can't include today because today is an extension of yesterday. It's still the night. Basically, what I'm trying to say is I'm really fucking gay, bro, and I don't fucking know, bro. I fucking hate this dude. There's no way around it, bro. I fucking hate this, bro. All right, bye. Today was what? 4 hours? Yeah, stream. What was it? 3 hours. I got most of the questions. That was the most questions per time I ever did throughout this web work. So it made me really sad I got taken down. But that's this web work. That's web work 4 for you. It's not even fucking worth it.